Hello, I'm going to be doing a review of the Midnight MX2 by Matricom. This is the new Android set-top box that's available on Amazon. So I've just received this and started playing with it just to show you what the unit itself looks like. It's powered on right now. It's got a couple of USB ports on the side and a card reader. I have a USB keyboard and mouse plugged in right now. And then it's got the network jack, HDMI, and the power. It's very small. This is the remote control, so the device is not much bigger than the remote itself. You can see it has the basic video playback buttons, but it also has a couple of Android-specific buttons as well. Sorry. And then here's the box that the unit comes in. The G-Box Midnight here, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on my TV. This is my main TV. I'm going to show you a couple of the main apps that I've been using on this. The first and most important is the Apex desktop that I've been using, the home screen. So this is available on the Play Store. Just pull this up. I tried the default launcher for a little bit and I didn't like it that much, so I've used this Apex launcher before on my tablet, and it works actually really well on a set-top box. You can change the resolution, well, not the resolution, but you can change the icon size to make it a much better fit on a TV, make them a little bit bigger, easier to see across the room. Another application that I think is really good, that pretty much a necessity, is this ES File Explorer. And of course you need browsers, so I already installed Firefox and Chrome. Firefox works pretty well. With this keyboard and mouse plugged in, I can do scrolling with my scroll mouse. The keyboard works fine, no problems there. I also installed this 2X client, which is a remote desktop. It allows you to do remote desktop to a Windows PC. So I tried that out and it worked pretty well. My mouse worked through the remote desktop. So. And then of course the most popular app I think for everyone is going to be XBMC. Before I go in there, I'll show you one thing I did in using ES File Explorer. You can go into the settings folder of XBMC and set it up to use a MySQL database, so that if you have more than one of these devices, you can share your library. You can also share your state of which videos have been watched and where you are in each video, so you can pause in one room and go to another. So I intend to buy another one of these and set it up to be able to use it that way. So the folder, if you want to set that up in XBMC, you go to the SD card folder and then go to Android, Data, Org XBMC, Files. You have to show hidden files in order to show this directory, so you have to turn on that setting. And then in this user data folder, you'll need to create this file here called advancedsettings.xml. You'll find out the settings that need to be in there. It's on you can find that on the XBMC website. But anyways, this is the specific folder for this unit. So once you have that set up, you can pull up XBMC. I already have this loaded with, I loaded up some files in here. And then I'm also using my smartphone as a remote for XBMC. So I have that here. I'm going to pick a video here to watch. You can use the standard remote that comes with the device too, but if you use XBMC remote, it's a little bit more, shows you a little bit more interface options from the remote control itself. So you can see the playback is really good. This one was in 720p. I have some other movies that are in 1080p. And those play back very well as well. One thing to point out, if you weren't aware, is that this is, as far as I know, the only XBMC set-top box that you can buy that will do 1080p videos. I know the Apple TV won't do that, and that was one of the main reasons I wanted this box. Now it does downscale to 720p. Let's see, I think this one's 1080, but it will play the videos. So and it plays this no problem. This is like a really large file. It's about 20 gigs, and I don't see any hiccups at all. It was playing over my LAN using my NAS device. But like I said, it does do downscaling. The advantage of this is that you don't have to convert any of your videos to 720p, and then eventually, if they make it so it supports 1080p, you'll be able to use the same library that you had. You don't have to go back and get new versions again. I think that was all I had for my review. Hope you enjoyed, and so far I'm liking this box a lot. All right, thanks, bye.